Card 28. For this problem, you need to know how to find average. So any average problem will always be completed the same way. It's all about plugging into the formula for average. And we will talk about that now. The average weight of 3 kittens, I'll say 3K is 9 ounces. I just like kind of writing out what our information is before we start. And 4 puppies are the average of 4 puppies is 12.5 ounces. What is the average weight of all 7 animals? Okay, make sure you know average, the equation for average, which is the sum of the parts over the number of parts that there are, or how many things you added up on top. So in this case, if we're looking for the average of these puppies and kittens, then we're going to just pretend that each of the kittens is 9 ounces. Because if the average of 3 kittens is 9 ounces, then mathematically it'll work out if we just pretend that all 3 of the kittens are each 9 ounces. So we have 3 kittens that are each 9, or we're going to pretend that because it'll work. And then each of the 4 puppies is 12.5 ounces. And now, on the bottom of an average, you write the number of parts. How many things are there? There are 3 kittens and 4 puppies, so there's 7 total things. Now we have to start reducing. So 9 plus 9 plus 9, same thing as 9 times 3, which you should know is 27. And then 12.5 plus 12.5, on and on 4 times, is the same as 12.5 times 4. So it's going to be easier if we just multiply rather than adding them all up. So 12.5 times 4. Can do it out, and we get this. And then remember that when you have a decimal, it's moved over 1 time up here, so we're going to have to move over a decimal 1 time there. So 50 is the sum of all these 4. So 50 over 7. Now 27 plus 50, you can do it out, but you will get 77 over 7. Now we just divide. What's 7 into 77? Or what is 77 divided by 7? It's 11. You should know your times table is up to 12 times 12. And 11 is actually your answer. That's the average weight of all 7 animals. You summed, you added all the parts, and then you divided it by the number of parts that there are, in this case, animals. And you got 11.